Hi guys, welcome back to Coffee Chat.
Coffee Chat with Kat and Ash and our special guest Derek.
Sorry guys, I'm tired. Coffee Chat with Kat and Ash.
Today we have
another McDonald's pie review. This time it's strawberry and cream. You guys really like the pumpkin pie one. So let's dive into it, shall we?
Hand them puppies out. I want this one. No, I want that one.
Okay, so then you get that one.
This better be all strawberry now.
I said strawberry and cream.
This is fried apple.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it says fried apple on it.
Guys, it's strawberry and cream.
Yeah.
It just, that's one of the labels for the pies.
Wow, whoop there.
Oh yeah, it is. Oops, it's double-sided.
Oopsies, sorry guys. Oh my goodness, I have to show you how delicious that looks.
This is what it looks like.
Smell test. Oh, smells like strawberries.
Ooh, you get really strong strawberry flavor. Alright.
Oh, my first bite was cream.
The inside of it.
Oh, this is just sugar heaven.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh, delicious.
I warmed them up. They taste much better when they're warm.
McDonald's don't always get everything right, but the pie, this pie, I give them an A+. Thank you. Back in my day, they had real fried apple pies. They were fried, deep fried. They were delicious. Nowadays, yuck.
So, yeah. I guess they're doing this in rotation. They have strawberry cream pie. They have pumpkin cream pie. They have a holiday pie. It's kind of like a birthday cake flavor. And they have the apple pie. No, I'm not bashing McDonald's. I mean, I do like their strawberry cream pies. But their apple is
yucky.
Yet to be desired.
What's the other one?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
What's the other pie? Holiday?
Was it holiday? Yeah, holiday. Because it's like a birthday cake flavor. It's supposed to be for like the Christmas time, which really don't get there. If they wanted to do like a holiday pie, they should do like a pecan pie.
It's like really good.
I would say the pumpkin pie. I don't like pumpkin pie. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm not a fan, but the pumpkin cream pie at McDonald's, I don't know why. It's just different. I only like that
because
pie.
it has the cream.
Yeah.
I like sweet potato pie and cherry pie.
Oh yeah, cherry pie.
We had a splat mess here.
Another look at the inside. I think it's really good.
So, on a McCafe pies, I give that one a 10 pies.
I give it a 9.5 out of 9.5 pies out of 10 pies.
What about you, Derek?
7.
What?
I give it 7.
Okay.
Any particular reason why?
You finished it before I finished mine.
Oh.
Okay. On that note, thank you for watching.
Yeah, we're
It was
done.
delicious.
We're not done yet. Any particular reason why you didn't like it that much?
I give it a solid 7.
I know, but any particular reason why?
Why didn't you give it a 10?
I'm a big fan of the cream.
What?
I like
It's what makes it delicious. Shameful.
Better.
Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I apologize for my appearance. I got really early tonight. I got home from work about a couple hours ago, so this is what you get. As always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And with all that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!